Hello, so now we're swapping the Wastegate, which is in the Mustang Ecoboost, is located right here. I already took off this, it's pretty easy, just like, and to get to the Wastegate, we will need to uninstall this shield, which is holding by this, and another one right there. We're gonna wait a little bit more to the engine to cool down, and then we're gonna jump at it and do everything that we need to do to get the 7 psi out and install the new 10 psi that we just received. So it's a pretty easy trick. You're gonna pull it and then make it kind of flat every time that like goes a little bit up, and trust me, it's gonna go out. Pretty simple, like you see, guys. Here is the shield. Not a big deal. A lot of people waste a lot of time doing this part. You just need to make it flat, and that's it. It will go out. Okay, so it's the moment to preload this one, which is the new one that we're installing, the 10 psi one. And to preload it, we're gonna get this when it just fit with the this right here, gonna be right here, and then when it just fit here, after it just fit, it's gonna be in some position. So you get it out and you do four full turns, and that's gonna be the preload. We put it back, we tie it here, this, we put it back, we push it because it's not gonna be fitting, so we have to make some pressure to fit it in, and that's it. Put the clip back, put everything back, and we're done. So let's do this, let's preload it. This is the just fitting point right here. So what we're gonna do, if it is just fitting, 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's gonna be our preload. Now that I have the new location, that's a preload one. I'm gonna tie this one really nice so they don't move. And I'm gonna tie it right in there, so just to make sure it is the position that we want. Well, my cameraman just went out, but it's already done. It's already preloaded. Bolts right there. Tie them. Put the clip, which is that I wanna do next. Put the clip right there. It's already preload. Tie those and put everything back. Let's get the little clip. Be really careful with it. We had a little problem with the clip. It wasn't fitting right. But we'll resolve it. It's not a big deal. After you get the clips out, it's tight. Where's the gate? should be. Goes back. And installation is completely done. There you see. There you go. See the new Wastegate completely done. Done. So we just need to put everything back to starting for the shield. Well, we got the shield done. I mean, the bottom one always is a fucker, but it's done. We just need to put some pieces back, like this one. This is gonna be next. Then the this is next right now. This, the hose back. I know the hose I already did the hose. So just put this in place. This in place, that in place, and we're done. Let's do it. Again, that was it. Done. Get it out of the garage, and we're gonna do some pulls right now to see what's the change of it, to see if we get any power.